Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Trey here, and it has been a hot ass minute since I last picked up the camera. Sorry if the camera is a little like over focused and all that stuff, or not over focused, overexposed and stuff. Welcome back to a new video. Welcome to the new channel. This is going to be the IRL channel, where I post all my car content and IRL. I'm finna go catch up with them boys, but this is going to be the channel where I post all of my car content and IRL content. But without further ado, let me introduce y'all to the new whip. This is my 2017 Infiniti Q50 3.0 turbo, as you see on the side. So this is the one that has the VR30. It is the premium edition. I'ma just blur the tags, but yeah, she's stock, you know. She is very stock. Clean interior, although we are about to go to the car wash because I haven't washed this car since I owned it for maybe about 2 weeks now. See the car seat in the back and shit. So I've had the car for about 2 weeks now, and it's my baby, bro. Fucking love it. This thing is dirty. Gotta clean it out a little bit, you know. I'll just be going back and forth to work as of right now. And grab the GoPro. I need to wash this thing desperately. I'll probably throw the GoPro on and get some shots of me driving. Might just do that for y'all, you know. But stay tuned. We're probably gonna switch over to the GoPro, so all the next footage is gonna be the GoPro. I love the way that this car feels. It still surprises me that I'm in a position to be able to be driving this car. This is gonna be my daily. I do got big plans for it. All the carts are filled right now. I actually got some good plans for this one. But drifting will eventually return to the channel. I don't exactly know when. I do plan on posting like a lot more content. I got a big boy camera, I got the GoPro, and it's time to make something shake, man, you know? I've been wanting to do YouTube for so long, but it's like I've been in the slump. Fucked around. I got 2 kids now. Life has really fucking changed, and now that I'm trying to, well, not that I'm trying, but now that I found like the balance between like work, life, and like raising a family and all that shit, bro, it's like now I can have that extra time to go and do the stuff that I want to do. So with that being said, more videos to come. Just be patient. I haven't necessarily figured out like an upload schedule just yet. I still stream on Twitch. I did change my name on Twitch, so it's not Kid Trey. I'll put the link below. I've been streaming the Black Ops 6 beta, so if those of you who are into Call of Duty and all that, bruh, be sure to check the link in the bio and pull up to the streams. They be lit and shit, you know. We be sniping, doing all that shit still. I kind of want to join a team. I really don't want to join a team at the same time, but like, I don't know, like Call of Duty, the beta, Black Ops 6 beta, it has just had me in like a chokehold lately. I've been doing nothing but playing that 2 weekends in a row. But appreciate y'all for tuning in, bro. Like, if you have made it this far in the video, just go in the comments, just put Q50 Trey. That's what I want to see. Q50 Trey in the comments if you have made it this far into the video and shit. We are about to pull up to the car wash. I need to wash this bad boy. I haven't washed it since I got it. I haven't vacuumed it out since I got it. Man. Damn, is the car wash deep right now? What the fuck going on? Oh no, it's not. Yes and no. I don't know. Do I vacuum it out first? Please don't. Yeah, this baby's over. And we'll go over here. I hope this car wash worked. Let me make sure all the windows are lit up and shit. I ain't even gonna bother turning off my car, bro. I don't feel like dealing with the shit. Plus, we gonna make it a quick little car wash and shit too. I ain't trying to be out all day. As a matter of fact, I gotta go home and stream as it is, so doing this before you stream tonight. Where'd my wallet go? Oh nah, this one don't work. Damn, we gotta find another one. We gotta find another one. Okay, yeah, this one works. All right, cool. That's just not my problem. Oh yeah. I hope the GoPro angle's straight. I would go put it on the thing over there, but we solo dolo right now, so I don't want to do all that. I don't need somebody to run off of my shit. It's so bad. Oh, hello? So? Yeah. I ain't never coming here again. Oh, nah. Damn, that's crazy. We're getting scammed right now. This some bullshit. Ain't no way. I'm finna go to a whole different car wash, cuz, no cap. And this shit ain't even working. The goal is to wash the car, bro. I'll drive across town. Such a beautiful day in good old Clarksville. Such a beautiful day. So we just got scammed at car wash number 1. I know of another car wash down the way. We're gonna go over there and try and see if that one works. If that one don't work, then I guess I just ain't washing my fucking car. Cause at the end of the day, these car washes cost money, and money is not something that I have a lot of. So we're just gonna be smart. Hell, worst come to worst, I'll just go to the store, get some soap, do all that shit at the crib, no cap. I really don't want to run it through, you know, the car washes that got the automatic car washes. I really don't want to run my car through there, so really just want to be able to hand wash it. I mean, we could stop at O'Reilly's and get some towels and all that shit. Make sure that we straight on that. I do need a towel to like dry my car. Yeah, we do need to do that. Yeah, I'll stop by O'Reilly's. Almost forgot I said I was gonna stop at O'Reilly's. Almost forgot. Oh, I turned the car off. I hope my baby do me right when I start that bit back up. I don't know. Am I even able to record in here? I don't know. I'll take it off for now. Alright, so peep game. I just made it back to the car wash. I went to O'Reilly's to turn the camera off, as y'all guys know. We bought a drying towel, a fucking sponge, some wash and wax just in case the soap don't work. I still might just hand wash it just for the fuck of it though, for real. But yeah, we finna get active in this motherfucker. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm gonna go ahead and open these. It's starting to get a little dark outside, so we gotta hurry up and head back home. I'm hungry. Alright, so we switched back to the camera. This is just gonna be a little chit chat session while I wait, because literally every single bay is taken. Well, that one don't work. That one right there, that one don't work, but every bay is taken, so we're just gonna sit and have a little chat. For those of you who don't know, I'm expecting my second child. She will be here so they gave us a time frame from last Sunday till November 8th. Now the reason that she has like 2 months and whatnot is because with my first child, Salem, she was born 2 months early. So they gave us a 2-month time frame for the time that my daughter Blair will be born. So we kind of just took this whole entire weekend to just get the car, or not the car, but get the house ready, move stuff around. We just re-signed our lease, so we kind of wanted to make it a lot more spacious than what it was before. Just pretty much cleaning up the house and just taking care of like the house and stuff like that. So I really want to get a stream in tonight because I haven't been able to for the past like 2 days ish, but I'm not gonna complain if I don't, because at the end of the day, family comes first before anything else. So I'm not really complaining. But we just pulled into the bay. Let me shut the windows back, and yeah, we'll switch back over to the GoPro and we're gonna wash the car. Yeah. Damn, man. My bucket. Sorry if y'all boys got wet. car is all clean now. Open this bitch with some ventilation. Fuck you talking about? It's kind of hot in that bitch. Think I'll take the long way home. I didn't even check to see if I was still recording. How the fuck I even make that light for real? And I was spinning, that's crazy.
Yeah, nigga, no outro gang, you know what the fuck going on. Like, comment, subscribe.